Good morning, everybody. Well, actually, it's not that good of a morning. It's pouring down rain. I'm trying to get some harvesting done, but I thought I'd come out and get a quick shot of this corn crop. Here's the two boar pigs that were in the rototiller. So I've got them in here with the cover crop now, but I'm going to go up here and just walk down through the jungle and see what we got. Yeah, that water's sloshing. About 4 or 5 inches of water on the ground in spots. You can kind of see the puddles. This isn't exactly the best harvesting weather. Anyway, let me get across this wire. I'm going to go over here and show what the wind did to the old corn crop. Now you can see it bent. It's all bent over. I'm hoping this stuff will straighten back out. I tried to go through and straighten some of the plants. There you can see the other row over there. Same thing. And the wind's just really bent it down. And I'm thinking maybe it'll spring back to life. I hope it does. I've replanted this stuff about 4 or 5 times between all the varmints getting it. But maybe it'll come back. If not, that's just the way of farming. But let me go over here and show you this. Thing this one, big surprise. Wasn't expecting this. I haven't seen a varmint in a while. But let's see what we got here. Mr. Coon. Yes sir, buddy, I got you. There's one of the sneaky guys that's been eating all my seeds. So anyway, finally caught one. That's actually the first raccoon we caught. It's been all possums prior to now. But anyway, just wanted you to come out here and see it's like a rice field with all this rain. I just got finished harvesting, so I'm going to go wash the vegetables all of those. They're pretty much pre-washed, you can see. My pants are pretty wet, so I'm not feeling too good. But anyway, just wanted to get a quick shot of that corn crop so you can see how it's looking. Thanks.